तुम लोग को 3% ही खा लेता हूँ, दिन नहीं खा लेता।
हम लाइव हैं, यूट्यूब पे लाइव हैं। हेलो। रखो भी। हेलो। ज्वाइन यार रहे थे। हम्म। So student, today we are going to start the topic here. This is the haloalkanes and haloarene. This is. Now if you talk about the word halo, I know. So if you see this is the halo, it is going to be what halogen. They are the halogen. Halo means halogen. It can be whether the F, Cl, Br, I. Anything it can be. Right, this is what. Whether it can be fluorine, chlorine, bromine, or iodine, anything it can be. Another term that is used is that is what? Alkane. Alkane. What is the alkane? Alkane is single bonded hydrocarbon. This is the single bonded hydrocarbon that we have to see. Single bonded hydrocarbon. What do you mean by single bonded hydrocarbon? That is the general formula is going to be CnH2n plus 2, where N can be anything, 1, 2, 3. So now firstly we are looking for the haloalkane. So like the CH3, Cl, okay, CH3, CH2, Cl, they are haloalkane. What is going to be haloarene? That is halogen uh, present in the what? The arenes ring is student, aromatic ring. So like that, this can be chloro. Or if you are taking another one, so this is going to be bromo. So they are going to be what? Haloarenes, right? How they are going to define? If you are talking about the definition of it, so the definition is hello, hello. I shared you the link, Sanoe.
Sir, I did not get upset if you send it to me. And then just now I will see.
हाँ,
अरे नहीं ज्ञान है और हार्दिक पांड्या अरे हार्दिक पांड्या मेला रे इधर प्रति नहीं हार्दिक पांड्या का सर हार्दिक पांड्या अपन 70% इनका पहले तो बटन शादी है चली गई शादी कहाँ गई थी तो इनका पहले अली बोलता है और एक नहीं है एक ना वो फोन वाला का पैसा नहीं है हाँ 2030 में प्रॉपर तरीके से
hello.
Audible, sir.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
So now let us see I am sharing the whiteboard to you.
Sir, you were talking about starting the organic chemistry.
Yeah. We are studying organic chemistry. Okay. You go through the inorganic chemistry. In case of problem, we'll discuss again. We will revise again whenever needed. Okay. Huh. So now what I am going to do here, If you see this one, oh my God, it is the disconnected again. So haloalkane and haloalkane and haloarene is the first chapter. Okay.
Till now, I have not completed the exemplar problem for this one, sir. Only NCERT questions have numericals done and theory read ones.
Exemplar that
From the
you
inorganic.
keep, exemplar you keep on trying. Okay. Exemplar you keep on trying. If the problem arising, that we will discuss that one.
Yes, I
Huh.
will do, sir. Still not done.
Hmm. Huh. All the problem of exemplar are not required. Okay. Many of the problem is for the neat one. Okay. For there, some of the problem is for neat, and very few problem is for the CBSE one. So here
So
you
let it
see,
be, sir. If it is being done, sir. If I'm completing, then both will be done together only. So, sir, it's not
huh,
an issue.
that we can do. That we can do. But today you are saying, na, we'll
No, no,
discuss.
sir.
Hmm. Okay, no problem. We'll discuss that one exemplar also. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Here I wrote the word halo and alkane. If I will talk about the halo is short form of the halogen. This is short form of the halogen. And halogen you must be knowing what can be. That is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Anything it can be. Either it can be fluorine, chlorine,
Group
bromine,
17
and
elements.
hmm.
Group
Uh,
17.
Group 17, correct. This is the group 17 element. Group 17. Now, if we talk about alkane, that word you already know. Alkane. Alkane means the single bonded hydrocarbon. This is the single bonded hydrocarbon. Single bonded hydrocarbon. We will discuss generally in this chapter single bonded hydrocarbon. Okay, not the all type of hydrocarbon like the double bonded, triple bonded. No, single bonded hydrocarbon only. Up, if I will ask you what is the single bonded hydrocarbon, that is also called saturated hydrocarbon, having the general formula CnH2n plus 2. This is there. N value already you know. It can be anything. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here it can be, that is alkane means it can be CH4, it can be C2H6, it can be C3H8, or it can be C4H10. Then what is going to be haloalkane? Then how can we define the haloalkane, term haloalkane? So they are halogen substituted. They are halogen substituted. They are halogen substituted hydrocarbon. Halogen substituted hydrocarbon. That is, what do you mean by halogen substituted hydrocarbon? That is, they are formed by, how they are going to form? They are formed by replacing. What going to be replaced? Carbon you cannot replace. They can be formed by replacing. Which one you can replace? Hydrogen. Replacing one or more hydrogen by which one? One or more hydrogen by halogen atom. Halogen atom. So if I will ask you what are the haloalkanes, they are the halogen substituted hydrocarbon. One line definition, half line definition is what is there. Haloalkanes are halogen substituted hydrocarbon. What do you mean by halogen substituted hydrocarbon? They are formed by replacing one or more hydrogen atom by halogen atom. That is called haloalkane. Halo means halogen, that is group 17 element, that is FClBri. Alkane means single bonded hydrocarbon, also known as saturated hydrocarbon. If you see the close look on the example, so what you are going to find here? Suppose I am taking CH4 and we are adding, that is Cl2. This reaction always takes place in presence of sunlight. Okay, sunlight. This is free radical substitution reaction. So it will going to give CH3Cl. Okay, that is another one will be what is HCl. So this is what chloromethane. Chloromethen. ये आशा धीरे धीरे बात करो. This is the word chloromethane. Got it? So chloromethane is what? Halogen substituted of the methane. Now, similarly, if you talk about C2H6, you can take, and then you add the Cl2, what it will there? You use the sunlight. Without sunlight, this reaction is not possible. So it will give, that is CH3, CH2, and Cl, plus it will going to give what? This is the HCl. This is what is chloroethane. So you will be able to understand that is the what is happening. The halogen hydrogen is getting replaced by halogen. So they are the haloalkane. Getting? Yes, yeah, no. Hello.
Getting.
Can I erase this?
Yes, sir.
How can I total? I can erase. Any option is there? Eraser, total erase. Any is there any option to erase all altogether? Earlier the option was there. Now there is no option.
Sir, only 2-3 lines we can erase like this.
No, there will be some options should be there, but okay, not an issue. It can be erased easily. Okay, now if I will ask you, Sanoy, what is the haloarene? You see, haloarenes. What is haloarenes? How can you define haloarenes? How can you define haloarenes? So halo means same. Halo means what is the halogen? Halo means halogen only. There is no problem. Halogen means it can be FCl, Br, This is there. Now, the another one is there, arenes. Arenes. Arenes means what? Aromatic ring. It should be aromatic ring. This is the aromatic ring. Aromatic ring. So that is what aromatic ring means. That is what we can write. Benzene ring. Anything, but it should be benzene ring. I am writing the example, but it can be any aromatic ring. So what is the? They are what they are talking about. Those compounds. They are those compounds which are formed by replacing what they are going to be replacing hydrogen atom of they are talking about hydrogen atom of aromatic ring with halogen aromatic ring with halogen. So that is what the called the haloarene. If you I will go for the example, you can see that is this is the benzene. This compound is what is called. This is the benzene, right? If you see, this is the benzene. And one hydrogen you are replacing with the halogen, that is this is the chlorobenzene. You can do one more example. You can take many of the example. Here, if one hydrogen is going to replace by Br, that is bromobenzene. So they are going to be what? They are going to be haloarene. Are you getting this? No.
Getting, sir, got it.
Can I erase?
No, I'm writing.
Keep on writing, no problem.
Done, sir. Done.
Done. Now the question arises, out of haloalkane and haloarene, which is more reactive? Which is more reactive? The question is this one. So now you need to just think over it, and you need to know, let me know which one is going to be more reactive. Halogen, if you are talking about haloalkane and haloarene, can you guess? Means you just guess. You give me the answer. Wrong, right? That is the different case, but you need to give the answer. One side I am writing haloalkane. This is the haloalkane. Another type side we are having haloarenes. This is. And I am asking which one is the more reactive. Here is CH3Cl. And here is what is the, suppose this compound is there. Towards replacement reaction. Towards replacement reaction. Which one is more reactive towards replacement reaction? Suppose I want to replace the Cl in both case. Which is easy to replace? Which one is easy to replace?
Haloalkane would be
Which one?
haloalkane.
Haloalkane easy. Okay. That is good only. Your answer is good only. See here. What is there? This is the pure single bond. This is the pure single bond. This is the pure single bond. Okay. And if it is the pure single bond, pure single bond, that is no resonance. Here this can be, there is no conjugation. Na? Here is no resonance is there. Because there is no conjugation, because we should have the alternate sigma and pi bond, yeah, anything conjugation required, alteration. Here all are single bonded. So no resonance. No resonance means pure single bond. And pure single bond is what is there? Easy to break. This is the easy to break. So easy to break means what? This fast reaction. Fast substitution reaction. Substitution reaction. Substitution reaction means what? Fast substitution means replacement reaction. Fast substitution reaction. I am telling you very beginning only. Here you see it is having the lone pair electron. Okay. And one more thing I am doing here. What is going to happen? Here is the single bond, single bond. If this is coming here, so this will come down here, this side. So you will find here, there is the resonating structure will be here, negative charge. This is like that. Double bond, here is Cl, this is the positive. What will happen? Sometime it can come here, this will go here. So what is going to happen here? This will give the structure like this one. Okay. Double bond, here is Cl, this is going to positive. Now this is going to move here. This will going to move here. So here you will find the another structure negative. Here is the new bond formed. Here is the Cl positive. Finally, this is going to go there. This is going to be here. So what will be happening here? So now this one. So here is the Cl. Now if you making the hybrid of it, so now this one. So what is going to happen here? This is the resonance one. Okay. Here is the partial double bond will come. Partial double bond. Here is positive. This is negative. Here negative. This is negative. So what is happening here? You will find partial double bond. Partial double bond. And double bond means what? Nothing but two bond. Okay. Here is the single bond is there. This case, this is single bond only. But here two bond, two single bond. Two single bond means difficult to break. Difficult to break. Yes, yeah, no. Difficult to break. So if you are breaking the difficult to break, so what will be there? Slow. Slow SN reaction. Slow substitution reaction. Substitution reaction. Are you getting this?
Writing, sir, last one.
So which will give the faster reaction? That is the aliphatic hydrocarbon. Aliphatic. Haloalkane means what? They are the aliphatic and they are the aromatic. Haloarenes means what? They are going to be aromatic. And this is what single bonded is called what? Aliphatic. So, no, these are the halogen substituted hydrocarbon. No, aliphatic hydrocarbon are more reactive towards the substitution reaction. compared to halogen substituted aromatic hydrocarbon. Why? Because there is the partial double bond character in the aromatic halogen substituted hydrocarbon.
So done.
Okay. Acha, this is why do we study, if the anybody is asking, what is need to study this chapter in 12th standard? Okay. Why do we study this one? Haloalkane and haloarene. What is need to study? Haloalkane and haloarene. Haloarenes. So what is there? The huge first one is the it is antibiotic. Antibiotic. Now our life we cannot survive without the antibiotic. Have you heard about the chloroquine medicine? Chloroquine. Have you heard?
No, sir.
Chloroquine. No. Chloroquine is used for the treatment of what? That is the malaria. Have you heard about the malaria?
Yes, sir.
That is what chlorine containing antibiotic is there. Okay. Have you heard, one more example I am writing? Chloro. It is called actually chloramphenicol. Chlor chlor amphenicol. Where it is used, do you know where we are using? Typhoid fever. Typhoid fever. This is we are using the typhoid fever.
Yes, sir.
Now if you are talking about the another one, thyroxine. Okay. Thyroxine hormone is there, na? Thyroxine hormones, iodine. This is what thyroxine is what? That is the iodine compound. What is that is goiter. Have you heard about the goiter?
Yes, sir.
Goiter, why it is happening? Because of the lack of iodine. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So iodine means iodinated compound. Iodinated compound can be supplied through the what? Haloalkane. Getting my point?
Yes, sir. That is
Okay.
what I said, like iodothyronine and triamine.
Another is there earlier time we were using the another one, chloroform. Chloroform. Have you heard about this one? CHLOR, chloroform.
They're using for the making people unconscious and as an anesthesia.
Anesthesia. Earlier time this was only anesthesia. Now ANES. Okay, you see the spelling may be the wrong. Fourth one, if I will talk about carbon disulfide. Carbon disulfide. Have you heard about this one somewhere? Carbon disulfide. Carbon disulfide, this is CS2. Carbon disulfide used as a non-polar solvent. What is that is? Non-polar solvent. Non-polar solvent. Yes or no? Non-polar solvent, because this is the sp2 hybridized now. So this polarity, this side polarity, both getting equal, mutually cancel. So mu is equal to 0. So it is acting as a non-polar solvent also. That is why we are studying this one. Have you heard about the PVC? PVC, polyvinyl chloride. So polyvinyl chloride is what? That is the halogen compound. Yes or no? Halogen compound. So whatever the polymers you are using now, whatever polymers you are using in the home, they are the generally what? They are the that is what the halogen substituted hydrocarbon. They all are going to be what? The halogen substituted hydrocarbon. Are you getting this?
Getting.
Now another point you see. Can I reach?
Yes, sir. Okay.
So these were the introduction that we covered this one now. We are going for the next one. Classification. Can we go for the classification of haloalkane?
Yes.
Classification. Classification. Classification of haloalkane. Haloalkane. Okay. Now, when you are talking about the haloalkanes are classified into three ways. Okay, first one. On the basis of, they are talking about on the basis of what? On the basis of number of X atom. X atom. What do you mean by X atom? X means halogen. X means what? Going to be halogen. X means halogen. Second one. On the basis of sp3 CX bond. sp3 CX bond. And the last one is here on the basis of, this is going to be on the basis of sp2 CX bond. sp2 CX bond. So they are, now if I will go little bit detail, they are going to be three types. What are one? This is two. Here is three. What do you mean by 1, 2, 3? So this is called mono-halo substituted. Mono-halo substituted. What do you mean by mono-halo substituted? Means only one halogen will be there. This is what di-halo substituted. Di-halo substituted. Di-halo substituted. And the last one is poly-halo substituted. Poly-halo substituted. This is there. Now, on the basis of sp3CX, there are three types. What are this one? The first one is alkyl. Alkyl halide. Second one is allyl halide. ALLYL. Allyl halide. Last one is there, allyl halide, then benzyl halide, BENZYL. This is the benzyl halide. Now, alkyl halide is also three types. What are the three types? 1 degree alkyl halide, 2 degree alkyl halide, and last one is going to be 3 degree alkyl halide. It is also called, that is what? Primary. This one is called primary. Here is primary. Another is going to be secondary. And the last one is going to be tertiary. Tertiary. That you need to keep in mind. Here is the same one. This is going to be 1 degree. Here is also going to be 2 degree. And this is going to be 3 degree. Benzyl halide, the same one. This is going to be 1 degree. Here it is going to be 2 degree. And this is going to be 3 degree. On the basis of sp2CX bond, this is are the two types. What are they two types? That is the vinyl halide, VINYL, vinyl halide. And last one is aryl halide, aryl halide, aryl halide. So these are the classification. Now we have to pick up one by one and then we have to go in detail. Once you make the diagram, then we will move further.
Done, sir.
Done.
Yes.
Okay. So now, okay, I'm erasing this one. You are saying that is done, so that.
Yes. Yes.
So here is the heading is classification based on number of X atom. Okay, X atom. So what going to be on the basis of number of mono-halo substituted compound. So one hydrogen is substituted by what? Is substituted by, that is halogen. Is substituted by halogen atom. Now you see what it can be. Suppose example, we can take CH3Cl, CH3, CH2Cl. It can be this one. Here it can be Cl, or it can be, that is, we can make it the Br. Okay. So what is only one carbon is there? So it is, the name will be what? Chloro. And that is one carbon meth, single bond ane. Here is the chloroethane. This is the chloroethane. What is this one? Chlorobenzene. This is the chlorobenzene. In this compound, what are you are finding? That is only one halogen atom is present. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So if that is one carbon. Can I erase?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now, if I will try to write here dihalo substituted here. This is the dihalo substituted. So here at the place of 1 that we can write, here is the 2. This is the 2. 2 hydrogen atom is substituted by halogen atom. So what the answer should come, example should come, that we are going to write here. Okay. So what is there? Here we can mention the word CH2, double bond CH2. Here we can write the term, here is Cl. This is going to be Cl. Okay. Another we can write here also CH2. Here is Cl. This is again going to be CH2. Here is CH2. This is the Cl. This is. Another things we can write here is the 3 types will come. Here is the Cl and Cl. One. Another place we can mention the term Cl and Cl. And one more place we can mention, that is, this is the Cl and this is the Cl.
Okay.
Okay. So now if I will write here, what it is coming, Sanoy, you are putting something, square box is coming.
Sir, coming on my side also, not able to understand what is happening. Sir, can you refresh this one once again, once?
If I will refresh, all will going to be cancelled out.
Let me check, sir. There's something. Oh,
Uh,
okay. Got it. Now, okay, sir.
yeah. So now, Sanoy, see here what we are doing here. That is the 2 IPSC name. If you see, this is 1 and 2. So what is going 1, 2? This is the dichloro. Oh my God! Here why the double bond I mentioned? That is wrong, na? Only single bond will be there. What will one dichloroethane? If you are writing this one, 1, 2, 3. So what is 1, 3 trichloroethane? Here is, there are the 2 names for this one. There is the different names are given here. So what we are going to do, we are writing on the other page. Okay, taking the page. See.
Sir, previous page, once again, sir.
Okay. See.
Sir, this names I was writing this particular.
That you can write by yourself, not an issue. Now, we are. So what is there? The first one, see how we wrote. That is 2 halogens should be there. Now, Cl and Cl. How this is the common name. If you are writing common name. So what is the going to be common name? This is the position you must be knowing, Sanoy, position. If any group is there, any group, here is the X is there, suppose. So this position is called ortho. This is position called ortho. This is called meta and this is called meta. Okay. The meta. And last one is calling, this is the para. Okay. Now, Sanoy, see, This is what we can write. Ortho, name is orthochlorobenzene. Not, sometimes you student write ortho dichlorobenzene. No, no. Ortho means what? The position is 1-2 position is called ortho, na. This is called orthochlorobenzene. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
Sir, go on the
Art-
previous page. One problem was there. Sir, this one is the previous page or visible, sir? So this one you written trichloroethane, but sir, we have 3 carbons are there.
propane. Yeah, oh, sorry.
Should be
Mistake.
dichloropropane.
Many mistake is there. 1,3-dichloropropane. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Here you see, this one is also will be the di only. Here is, this is orthodichlorobenzene. If I will write the IUPAC name, IUPAC is very simple one. IUPAC of the same compound, here is the Cl, this is Cl. So 1,2 dichlorobenzene, dichlorobenzene. This is 1,2 dichlorobenzene. Now another is there. We are having the one more term is there. This is what the Cl is there. This is the Cl. So this is the meta dichlorobenzene. Meta dichlorobenzene. This is the common name. Cn means common name. If I will go for the IUPAC, so what will be there? 1, 2, 3. So 1,3. This is the dichlorobenzene. This is there. Dichlorobenzene. Now the third one. If I will go for the third one, we can mention this compound. This one. Here it can be Cl. This is the Cl. So common name if I'll write, that is para-dichlorobenzene. Para-dichlorobenzene. This is there. IUPAC, if you are talking about IUPAC, 1,4. This is the dichlorobenzene. Can you understand, Sanoy?
Yes, sir.
Once it is done, let me know, please.
Done.
Okay. Now, that is the halo substituted compound we are going. That is, we are going tri. Yeah, that is what is called polyhalogen substituted compound. Polyhalogen substituted. So here is polyhalogen substituted compound. Substituted compound. So what is the polyhalogen substituted? Polyhalogen. If they are saying if two are more than two hydrogen atom, two or more than two hydrogen atom is substituted by halogen atom, then the compound is called, polyhalogen substituted compound. Polyhalogen substituted compound.
Sir, this will be 2 or 3, this one, sir.
2 or more than 2. 3, it should be more than 2. What is 3 or more than 3? It should be 3 or more than 3. If it is 2 means it will die only. Suppose I am writing CH3. I am writing the one example here. CH3, CH2, CH2. In our school, many students make the target to get the full marks in chemistry. More than 10 students are promising to get the full marks. Are you listening, Sanay?
Listening, sir.
Many students make their target to score the full marks in chemistry, and they started working hard also. So let us see here 1, 2, 3. So what is there? 1, 2, 3. This is the trichloro. This is the trichloro. What is there? Propane. Trichloropropane. Trichloropropane. Another one is, firstly, we are writing the common name of this one. This is called symmetrical. Trichlorobenzene. Trichlorobenzene. 3-1 is there, na? That is called sim. And IPSC name is very easy. IPSC. What is there? 1, 2, 3. This is 4, 5, 6. So what is can write? 1, 3, 5. This is what is called trichlorobenzene. So this is very simple one. This is the polyhalogen substituted compound. So 3 or more than 3, in case of 3 or more than 3, that is what is called polyhalogen substituted compound.
Got it, sir. Next one, please.
Now, okay. Now, on the basis of, we are going the another basis, and what that basis is going to be, on the basis of, here we are writing, on the basis of SP, what we can write? SP3 CX bond. SP3, here there will not be dash. SP3 CX bond. What do you mean by SP3 CX bond? Means the carbon attached with the which halogen is SP3 hybridized. Okay, like what is there? Example, if you are, I am saying here, those hydrocarbon. Okay, those haloalkane, let us see, those haloalkanes in which carbon containing halogen atom is sp3 hybridized.
Sir,
sp3 those haloalkanes in which carbon containing halogen is what? sp3 hybridized, or all bonds are single, or all bonds are, what they are saying, all bonds are single, then they are classified into three categories. Three categories. What are the three categories? If you see, the first one is alkyl halide, ALKYL, alkyl halide. Second one, they are talking about allyl halide, very important, allyl halide. And third one is benzyl halide. Can you go alkyl halide? Can I erase this one?
yes.
So first of all, we are going for alkyl halide, ALKYL, alkyl halide. Okay. Halogen atom is directly attached with sp3 hybrid carbon. are called alkyl halide. Are called alkyl halide. Okay. Example: CH3Cl. Now, if with the structure you can see here, we can write H. Here is H. This is the H, and here is Cl. Another one you can see CH3, CH2, and here is Cl. You can mention it, this one. All the carbon are, what is there going to be? sp3 hybridized. sp3 hybridized means what? That is going to be single bond. This is what is called, this is sp3. This is sp3. What is this one? So if halogen atom is directly attached with sp3 hybrid carbon, that sp3, how can you identify? Single bond, all single bond. So this is sp3 hybridized. That is what is called alkyl halide. Understood?
Yes.
Can I erase?
Yes.
Now, if the case one, if alpha carbon, what we are talking about, alpha carbon, that is carbon. Alpha carbon means carbon with which halogen attach, they are talking about halogen attach. How? Directly.
Yes, one
Direct.
minute, sir. Sir,
If
can you give me one minute, sir? I want to take the arti from the puja, sir. Just
please. How many minutes?
1 minute, sir.
Okay.
Sir, done.
So what is the case one? If they are talking about they are giving the simplifying with the word. If alpha carbon means carbon with which halogen is directly attached, is called 1 degree alkyl halide. Example, here we are talking about Cl. Here it can be H. Okay. And case 2. If halogen is attached with 2 degree carbon. What is 2 degree carbon?
Sir, 2 degree carbon means two that it is attached. Like there are two halogens attached with one carbon.
Alpha carbon attached with 2 more carbon. Alpha carbon attached with 2 more carbon. Okay. And what is if alpha carbon with which halogen is directly attached is called? What is alpha carbon? The carbon which is alone or the having one more carbon. So what is if the halogen attached to 2 degree carbon is called, what is called secondary alkyl halide, This is what secondary alkyl halide. What is secondary halide? CH3, this is the CH. Here is CH3, this is the Cl. So this is the alpha carbon. Alpha carbon is attached with the 2 beta carbon. So this is what? This carbon is what? 2 degree, right? And if the halogen attached with 2 degree carbon, that is what is called secondary alkyl halide. Can't you understand this?
Understand?
Yeah. Can I erase?
Hmm.
Now, tertiary alkyl halide, 3 degree alkyl halide, 3 degree alkyl halide. What the point is 3 degree alkyl halide? If they are saying, if halogen atom is directly
Sir, one thing, sir, can I check on the last slide, sir? One thing only.
last page.
Yes,
Uh,
this one.
check.
6, 3, 2, done, sir.
So if halogen atom is directly attached with 3 degree hydrocarbon. Yeah, 3 degree carbon, not the hydrocarbon. 3 degree carbon. 3 degree carbon, that is, what is the meaning of 3 degree? Alpha carbon attached with attached with 3 other carbon. So they are saying 3 degree. It's called, what is called? It's called tertiary. It's called tertiary alkyl halide. Is called, they are talking. It's called what? Tertiary alkyl halide. TERTIARY. Tertiary alkyl halide. This is called tertiary. Example. So this is the CH3. Here is CH3. This is CH3 and here is Cl. So you see this one, this is the alpha carbon and alpha carbon attached with 3 beta carbon. One directly attached, 3 beta carbon. So it is 3 degree alkyl halide. This is the 3 degree alkyl halide. Can you understand this?
Yes.
I'm erasing now. Next one. Another is there on the basis of that is already we are studying now on the basis of what we are sp3cx only we are studying sp3cx bond we are the one we have finished and second one is what we are going to study allyl halide. So can we continue today or do you want next class?
So next class would be better, sir. I have the exam na tomorrow. And sir,
Okay.
math class is also there at night. So
Okay, no problem. So we will study this one tomorrow. Okay, maybe the 9 to 10 I am already having the class. 10 to 11, 10:30 to 11:30 I am free. That time we will can. Morning, 10:30 to 11. And in the evening, if I will be evening, I may not be free. Because I need I am going to Varanasi maybe evening. So Tuesday also not possible. Then we will study from Wednesday. But most of the time I will be free, because summer vacation is going on.
Sir, you
So
can come whenever you are free. So sir, I will do is
now
I will take the classes and sir. So we will come.
so this week you are not going anywhere this coming week.
I am not going anywhere, sir.
So we'll arrange the mini classes. Okay, don't worry. This way we'll try to finish this chapter this week alone.